Alright, what's up guys? We're getting ready for the drift event later today. Hopefully in a bit. Oh fuck. But I gotta clean out my car, get a couple things done, take out my helmet, take out some small shit that's in here. But right now, grab all this shit and then grab my keys so no one steals my car. I need to fix that fucking thing. Looks pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. I thought it was leaking down there. I'm quite glad it's not. But stuff looks pretty good. Smells a bit gassy. Alright. Oil's pretty good. I gotta look up. Let's see how that is. I thought right down there it's pretty wet, so I thought at first it was leaking, but it's not, so quite glad. This is my makeshift fucking temp gauge. Pretty sick. I need to make a piece or bracket on here because I need to move the equalizer somewhere else and move the stereo up just a tad bit more. I might move the equalizer up a little bit so that I can set another 3 gauges through there, but I want to do square gauges. I would like to do round gauges, but the only ones that I could do is like maybe up here. I can do a couple round gauges up here, but then it blocks that and I don't want people to see it, so I might do it on this side and just have them kind of angled out. But sweet. Heat's working. Whew. Car's loud. And no bubble. So I just try to do a couple more things and then we should be good.